Hello everyone, welcome to this series on the history of English literature. And in this video, we are going to discuss the life and works of Sir Philip Sidney. Introduction. Sir Philip Sidney stands as a monumental figure in Elizabethan literature, renowned for his contributions as a poet, courtier, soldier and patron of arts. His influence, though cut short by his early death, was profound, shaping the literary landscape before the ascendancy of Edmund Spenser and William Shakespeare. This video explores Sidney's life, works, and enduring legacy. Early life and education. Born into an aristocratic family in Kent, Sidney was the eldest son of Sir Henry Sidney and Lady Mary Dudley, and a grandson of King Philip II of Spain. At the age of 10, he attended Shrewsbury School, where he met Fulk Greville, a lifelong friend and his early biographer. He later studied at Christ Church, Oxford, but left without obtaining a degree. Sidney's education continued as he travelled extensively across Europe, gaining knowledge in Latin, French, and Italian, and engaging with prominent European statesmen. Diplomatic and military career. Sidney's early career was marked by a blend of literary and military endeavours. He participated in courtly life, aligning with the cultural and political elite of Elizabethan England. His first court appointment came in 1576 as cupbearer to Queen Elizabeth. In 1585, Sidney was appointed Governor of Flushing and served in the military campaign assisting the Dutch against the Spaniards. Tragically, at the age of 32, he was mortally wounded at the Battle of Zutphen. Literary contributions. Astrophel and Stella. Sidney's most celebrated work, Astrophel and Stella, published posthumously in 1591, is a sequence of 108 love sonnets. Influenced by Petrarch and Ronsard, these sonnets are characterized by their emotion and delicate archaic language. They were written for his mistress, Lady Penelope Rich, and are considered the finest Elizabethan sonnet cycle after Shakespeare's. Arcadia. Sidney's Arcadia, an intricate pastoral romance published in 1590 and completed in 1598, reflects the ideals of medieval chivalry. The narrative is complex and interwoven with secondary love stories, creating a diffuse and involved plot. Despite its weaknesses, the work showcases Sidney's poetic prose style and includes several fine lyrics. Apology for Poetry. The Apology for Poetry, published in 1595, stands as one of the great critical essays in English literature. It defends poetry against Puritan attacks, arguing that poetry surpasses history and philosophy in its ability to instruct and delight. Sidney's eloquent defense of the art of poetry underscores his deep understanding and appreciation of literary aesthetics. Influence and legacy. Sidney's impact on Elizabethan literature extends beyond his own writings. His works introduced Renaissance critical ideas to England and influenced contemporaries like Edmund Spenser and Thomas Lodge. His patronage of scholars and poets fostered a vibrant literary culture, and his persona as the ideal gentleman courtier inspired countless admirers. Sidney's life and times. Diplomatic endeavours. Sidney's diplomatic missions, including his ambassadorship to the German Emperor Rudolf II, reflect his deep involvement in the politics and diplomacy of his era. His efforts to form a Protestant League highlight his commitment to his faith and his country. Courtly and military life. Sidney's life at court was characterized by his participation in tournaments and his service to Queen Elizabeth. His knighthood in 1583 and his military exploits in the Netherlands cemented his reputation as a soldier and as a leader. Conclusion: Sir Philip Sidney's life and works exemplify the ideals of the Renaissance man, scholar, poet, soldier and courtier. His literary achievements, particularly Astrophel and Stella, Arcadia and Apology for Poetry, have left an indelible mark on English literature. Sidney's legacy continues to be celebrated for its profound impact on the development of Elizabethan poetry and prose. So this was the discussion on the life and works of Sir Philip Sidney. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other topic. Until then, goodbye and thank you.